Assalamu alaikum. I am Sadia Khanum. In this video, we are going to talk about measuring of weight. Okay, now what is weight? Weight is how heavy something or how much mass it has. Now, let's see the unit of weight and relation between the unit. Let us now learn units of measurement of weight. Okay, the smallest unit of measurement is 1 milligram. Okay, so 10 milligrams is equals to 1 centigram. 10 centigrams is equals to 1 decigram. 10 decigrams is equals to 1 gram. 10 grams is equals to 1 decagram. 10 decagrams is equals to 1 hectogram. 10 hectograms is equals to 1 kilogram. Okay, so this system of measurement is called the metric system. So student, can you now tell me all the unit of weight from the smallest to the largest? Yes, they are milligram, centigram, decigram, gram, decagram, hectogram and kilogram. Okay, observe carefully. If we divide our smallest unit by 10 at every step, it is converted to a larger unit. Okay, so milligram divided by 10 will give centigram. Centigram divided by 10 will give decigram. Decigram divided by 10 will give gram. Gram divided by 10 will give decagram. Decagram divided by 10 will give hectogram. And hectogram divided by 10 will give kilogram. Students, can you tell me how to convert a larger unit into a smaller unit? Yes, it's very simple. We have to multiply a larger unit by 10 at every step to get the smaller unit. So, kilogram multiplied by 10 will give hectogram. Hectogram multiplied by 10 will give decagram. Decagram multiplied by 10 will give gram. Gram multiplied by 10 will give decigram. Decigram multiplied by 10 will give centigram. Centigram multiplied by 10 will give milligram. Okay, is it clear to you now? Now, I am going to show you some formulas. First one is 1 quintal is equals to 100 kilogram. Next one is 10 quintal is equals to 1 metric ton. And 1 metric ton is equals to 1000 kilogram. Now, I am going to show you how can you solve the fill in the blanks from this measurement of weight. Okay, so here is our first question. 6285 gram is equals to dash kilogram or kg, dash gram equals to dash kg or kilogram, dash hectogram, dash decagram and dash gram. Here we have two portions. First we solve the first portion. Okay, so we have to convert 6285 gram into kg or kilogram, and we know that 1 gram equals to 1 by 1000 kilogram. So here we divide 6285 by 1000. Okay, let's divide it. Let's divide them in our rough Okay, so 1000 here divisor 6285 dividend. Here we can take 6 times of 1000, which is 6000, and remainder is 285. So question will be kg and remainder will remain gram. Okay, so 6 kg plus 285 gram. Here we already solve our first portion. So now we can remove the addition sign. So we get 6 kg 285 gram. So therefore 6285 gram is equals to 6 kg 285 gram. This is the result of first portion. Now we will solve the second portion. Okay, from first portion we know that 6285 gram equals to 6 kg and 285 gram. Okay, we already have kilogram. We will convert 285 gram into hectogram, decagram and gram. Okay, so here we will convert this gram to hectogram, and we know that 1 gram equals to 1 by 100 hectogram. So here we divide 285 by 100. Okay, so we can divide them in our rough. So here we can take 2 times of 100, which is 200, and remainder is 85. So 6 kg plus 2 quotient 2 will be hectogram, 2 hectogram, and remainder 85 will remain gram. So 85 gram. Okay, now we will convert 85 gram into decagram. We already convert kilogram and hectogram. Okay, so we will convert this 85 gram into decagram. Okay, so 6 kg 2 hectogram. We have to divide 85 by 10, since 1 gram equals to 1 by 10 decagram. Okay, so 6 kg 2 hectogram. Okay, let's do the division in the rough. 85, 8 times of 10, which is 85 is remainder. So 8 will be decagram and 5 will remain gram. Okay, 8 decagram, 5 gram. Okay, now we can remove the addition sign because we already find our result. 2 hectogram, 8 decagram, 5 gram. Okay, so our result is 6285 gram equals to 6 kg 2 hectogram, 8 decagram and 5 gram. Now let's solve the another question, which is 21 kg 340 gram plus 25 kg 750 gram. We have to add them and also we have to convert them into kilogram and decagram. Okay, so here we can add them separately, kg, kg and gram, gram. Okay, now we separate them with the help of first bracket. 21 kg plus 25 kg and 340 gram plus 750, 340 plus 750 gram. Now you can add them. If we add them, we get the result 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus 2, 4. This is kg. And if we add them, we get the result 0. 5 plus 4, 9. 7 plus 3, 10. Now, we already have the result of kg, and we have to convert this into kg and decagram. So, 46 kg plus 1090 gram divided by 1000, we will get it. We can convert it into kg by dividing 1000, because we know that 1 gram equals to 1 by 1000 kg. Okay, now 46 kg plus, we will divide them in our RAF. Okay, so here we can take 1 times of 1000, and which is 1000, and the remainder is 90. Okay, so 1 will be gram and the remainder will remain, 1 will be kg. 1 will be kg, which is quotient. So 1 will be kg and the remainder 90 will remain gram. So 90 gram. So here 46 kg and 1 kg, we can add them, we get 47 kg, and here we have 90 gram. So we will convert 90 gram into decagram. So if we divide 90 by 10, we get decagram, because we know that 1 gram equals to 1 by 10 decagram. Okay, so 47 kg plus 90 divided by 10, 9 decagram, and here we already have our answer, so we can avoid the addition sign. So answer is 47 kg and 9 decagram. So here is our third question, which is word problem. Look very carefully. How many students of 30 kg are necessary to make a weight equal to a car of 1.5 metric ton? Okay, so here we have a car of 1.5 metric tons. First of all, we have to convert 1.5 metric tons into kg, because we have to convert all the unit to a same unit. Okay, so we will convert 1.5 metric tons into kg. Now here 1.5 metric ton is equals to 1.5 multiplied by 1000, because we know that 1 metric ton is equals to 1000 kg. So here we have to multiply 1.5 by 1000, and the result is 1500 kg. Okay. Now 30 kg is equals to weight of 1 student from the question. Okay, so 1500 kg is equals to weight of 1500 divided by 30, because we have to find the number of students, so that here we divide them. Okay, so the division result is 50. Okay, 50 students. So we can say that the weight of 50 students is equals to a car, equal to the weight of a car of 1.5 metric tons. Okay, so our result is 50 students. Now try to solve the math from your lecture sheet. I am signing off today. Allah Hafiz.